Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on Wound Up Reviews. In this one, I'm going to be sharing with you a really great 3-piece Japanese watch collection for $1,000 US. It includes a beater watch and 2 daily watches that you can rotate between to switch things up. Next week, I'll also make a video regarding a 3-piece Swiss-made watch collection for $1,000 too, so yeah, subscribe if you don't want to miss that. Now, before we get into these watches, I would just like to mention that I do in fact have first-hand experience with all of these watches. I would never bash on or even recommend a watch that I've never seen in the flesh. So with that said, let's get into these great watches. First of all, we have the beater watch, and this is the Citizen BN0151-09L that I just unboxed here on the channel a few days ago. I am very impressed with this watch. For just around $150, you're getting a high quality diver's watch with 200 meters of water resistance, a great 60-click diving bezel, a really nice design, size, and also a great quartz movement that is very accurate, charges via light, and also happens to hit the markers on the dial very well. And all of this is delivered in a unique and cool box. You really can't go wrong with this Citizen. Next up, we have the Seiko SORB 033 or 035. This is a hugely popular watch from Seiko, and with reason. And so why is this watch so great? Well, because for the price, which by the way is around $400, you're getting a whole lot of watch for the money. The case is 38.5 millimeters and features 100 meters of water resistance and great finish work comparable to watches that cost much more than $400. It has a sapphire crystal, beautiful faceted hands and markers, the dependable 6R15 movement, and a nice and solid bracelet with a butterfly clasp. It is available with 2 different dial options. The one I had was the 035, which had the cream white dial, and I really liked it and I regret that I sold it. This watch plays a big part in this watch collection as it's arguably the most important piece. It's going to work well with most clothes and in most situations that you'll find yourself in. It's durable and very versatile, so it'll work great on lots of different straps, and it just looks the business. And for the third watch in this collection, and to spice things up, we have the Seco Turtle reference SBDY013, which is the one with the black and blue color scheme, although this watch is available with many different colors, so just buy the one that you like the most. I do in fact own a Turtle myself right now, and I'm very impressed with what it has to offer. It is quite large at 45 millimeters, but it sure wears great on my wrist, as you can see. It features the iconic cushion style case, which by the way is nicely finished and comfortable on the wrist. And the bracelet it comes with is quite great too. Inside you'll find the 4R36 movement, which is very dependable and features a day and date complication, which is very useful. My Turtle has been averaging at about +3 or 4 seconds per day, which I'm very happy about. Overall, the Turtle is just an all-around great watch, and again, you can't go wrong with it. So this collection features a nice and dependable beater watch and 2 great daily wearable watches to rotate between. I really feel like you're getting a lot of watch here for your money. But what do you guys think? Feel free to let me know how you would structure a Japanese watch collection for around $1,000 in the comment section down below. Like and subscribe if you like this video and would like to see more like it, and I'll see you in my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.